Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on Uber app. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Uber app and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.